Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPJPY, and I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, generally we can see that the GBPJPY trend is currently in an uptrend, unlike the gold, euro, USD, and GBP USD. We can see that this has just been going to the upside. And with that in mind, we will know that most of our trades would be a bullish trade, and that's what we will be looking out for. So what happened in the last couple of weeks is that when price got to this resistance level around the 168 area, price quickly rejected the downside, moved strongly bearish, as you can see from this last 2 weeks candle, and then got all the way back down to this very strong support area that has been tested several times around the 150 area. And then quickly, immediately price got into that zone, rejected up, we can see by this week here, and then continued strongly as the week went by. And then we can see that on the daily time frame as well, we can see price getting down into that zone and then quickly rejecting, closing on Monday with this soft pin bar candle, followed by these continuous bullish candles. And now price continue all the way to the upside into this soft resistance area here. Okay, now what am I expecting from this trade? I'm expecting generally for this GBPJPY to continue to the upside, for this bearish or this bullish move to continue. Okay, and it's gonna be, now it's more or less, how far does it go, or where do we enter from? That is the major question that we will be asking. Initially I thought price was going to reverse from here, so I took my take profit around this area here when I initially entered, and that was around 800 pips, but price continued strongly, breaking through this next resistance area here that was previously a support. And then if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price went up, came back down to retest that area, and now going back to the upside again. So what I would say is we'll wait and see how price reacts to this resistance level that price is at the moment. That is this area around the 162 area. If price breaks and closes it on the next 4-hour candle, if that is a strong bullish candle, sorry, that breaks this area and closes above it, then price most likely will continue to the downside. Remember, if we take this to a much more lower time frame, we can see that this area here has been holding like 3 times now, and all we're looking for is to see if that area will eventually break for GBPJPY. Okay, so that's this area here that seems to be holding. Now if it breaks, then I'll take my move to the upside. So if it breaks there and the next candle becomes a bullish candle and closes above this resistance area that keeps holding, then I know that price will continue to the upside, and then possibly wait for a retest and take my trade to the upside. And that's how I will be trading GBPJPY. I will be looking for that opportunity once this area breaks. Okay, and if this area doesn't break and it holds, then I would only sell if this level here around the 160 area breaks. Okay, so if this zone here breaks to the downside, right, that's if this area holds and price comes to the downside, I would only sell if this area breaks. So I'll wait for a retest of that area and sell my trade to the downside. Okay, but generally what I will be expecting, especially if this 162 area breaks, is a buy trade, and I will be entering my buy opportunity again, because if you look at the weekly time frame, price has been strongly I've been moving in an uptrend, so I would be looking more at a buy opportunities for GBP JPY. So there's really nothing much to say here for GBPJPY, just that I'm looking for my buy trade and I'm waiting for the break of this resistance area if that happens. And if that break doesn't happen and the area holds, then I'm waiting for price to break below this area here, this 160 area. And if it does, then I'll be looking to sell the market. But generally my bias is bullish. So that is my short analysis for GBPJPY. I hope you like the video. If you do, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.